Today we are making a volcano. And we make soda in it, and we don't put that in it. Okay.
Y'all ready?
What's it gonna do? It's gonna erupt.
I'm ready.
Charlie,
Stand beside Papa.
come over here. This side, this side. All right, and then pour that in.
Oh, we don't let it.
I'll help you.
Oh gosh.
Go with more.
Oh goodness.
Red. Whoa.
What's that saying?
The erupting again.
Erupting again?
Yeah.
Maybe the baking soda was all.